That's what I set up to work out of this week. What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to Making It Work. I'm Jimmy. You haven't been here before. Got a toolbox to replace my Epiq 84. Probably see it behind me there. I think this is gonna more than do the task. No more snap-on. It's all Milwaukee all the time. Okay, just kidding. I bought this Milwaukee box. I'm going to use this for a couple months. I ordered a bunch of Icon toolbox stuff, a whole setup with an upper and lower chest and a side locker. But until that comes in, this is what I'm going to work out of. They're telling me the end of July on the Icon stuff. So I couldn't work out of cardboard boxes and tool carts for 2 months. A week or two would have been one thing, like they told me in the store. But in reality, it was 2 months when I contacted Icon Direct. So I'm going to set this box up real quick here and then work out of it for 2 months and transfer everything over into the Icon stuff when it comes in. I got a 73-inch lower, 56-inch upper cabinet, and a side locker. So I'll go over all that once that box gets here, give you guys all the prices and the nitty-gritty details. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alright guys, what's going on, guys? Getting my temporary Milwaukee box all sorted out. Started organizing some of the drawers and figuring out what I'm going to do. This top drawer is very shallow, so there ended up being the plier and paperwork drawer. And then it's got a little bit of a, that's not going to work. It's got kind of a power draw kind of thing going on where you can run a cord down to it, I suppose, and put chargers in here and all. But it's got soft close drawers. They actually work pretty good. You can see how the drawers close and all. I mean, Home Depot had it on sale from $8.99 down to $6.99, and I offered them $600 and they took it. So paid $600 for it because of this. It had a little dent in there, and this is a little defuncted, but scratch and dent off the display floor. And they had already put all the casters on it, and I just finished it up by putting a handle on it last night. And I'm gonna finish moving into it, and for now my scanner stuff's gonna be out in the open. It's a little bit risky, but we've never been broken into in the 40 years the shop's been here, so hopefully it'll be all right. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Whew. That was a rough week, guys. Working out of this cart over here, my temporary cart, and working out of my Milwaukee toolbox. Back here, I bought this at Home Depot. I talked about that a little bit, but $600. So it's going to work out for me a little bit, for a little while at least. But been a kind of a rough week, stressful. I didn't really get a lot of footage for you guys. I apologize for that, but I hope the video was still enjoyable. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to do a couple of videos this week. I'll post a few videos. I hope you enjoyed them all. There's going to be a video about my MTS cart that I took a look at, but I'm probably going to opt out of and give it back to the gear wrench guy. He told me I wasn't locked into it, that he would get it for me to look at. The Milwaukee box I bought this week, and I've been rearranging tools and trying to put stuff in it. But you know, I haven't finished yet. I still got a lot to do. But some of them, this drawer is so thin that I can only really put pliers and paperwork and stuff in there. But you can see where I've actually kind of crammed some stuff in here, try to make it work for the week. Well, hopefully I ordered some Icon stuff. Hopefully that's going to come in. We'll see what happens with that. But between the toolbox and all the other stuff going on, it made it kind of a rough week. So, but in the end, I won. Every one of them I made it work, regardless of what Scotty Kilmer said. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm going to see you again in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching Making It Work. There's the power draw plug-in cord in the back.